Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Shalom,
Om Swastiastu,
Namo Buddhaya,
salam kebajikan.
Honorable Judges of the 2025 Vocational Accounting Olympiad, esteemed committee members and all amazing participants.
Allow us to introduce ourselves. I am Elizabeth Joyce Panda.
And I am Windiana Jelita. We are accounting students from Kupang State Polytechnic.
On these occasions, we would like to present discussion item: waste, emission, and reporting. It's time for accounting student to speak up for the environmental.
As accounting students, we have a major role in addressing environmental problems through sustainable accounting. In fact, accounting plays a crucial role in measuring, recording, and reporting environmental impacts, and it is time for accounting students to speak up.
The environmental crisis is becoming increasingly real before our eyes. Unmanaged piles of waste, rising carbon emission, and extreme climate change are clear signal that our planet is in distress. Unfortunately, environmental issues are often seen as unrelated to the field of accounting. But in effect, accounting plays a crucial role in measuring, reporting, and environmental impacts. It is in the context that accounting students must begin to speak up and take action.
The environmental crisis is becoming more real before our eyes. Piles of plastic waste are polluting both land and ocean. Carbon emissions are driving extreme climate change, and the lack of reporting and accountability only worsens the situations. Sadly, many believe this has nothing to do accounting, but the truth is quite the opposite. Here is more detailed explanation of each of three ESG perspectives. The first, environmental. Accounting students can take an active role by recording, calculating, and data related to waste and carbon emissions produced by an organization. Through this practice, students can learn carbon accounting to measure a company's carbon footprint. Next, students can identify high non-environmental costs such as waste cleanup, ecosystem damage. And students can encourage companies to adopt responsible production and conservation practice in line with SDG 12. This also contributes directly to climate action SDG 13.
Environmental accounting is not just about money. It's about our footprint and responsibility toward the planet in today's modern era. Accounting has evolved from simply record financial transactions to become a strategic tool that help protect environmental and social sustainability. Environmental impact like waste and pollution directly affect society. Here, accounting students are needed to: the first, evaluate CSR programs to determine whether they are truly impactful or merely symbolic. The second, conduct cost-benefit analysis of environmental projects from a social perspective. Third, support SDGs such as good health and well-being, clean water and sanitation, and decent work and economic growth by ensuring that funds and programs genuinely service community needs.
Okay, next, let's talk about governance. In the business world, sustainability reports are key indicators, transparency, and accountability. accounting students must understand that RSG reports shall not be mere formality but must be based on fair and objective data. It is important to recognize and avoid greenwashing where a company appears eco-friendly without meaningful action. And this understanding supports goals like peace, justice, and strong institutions SDG 16 and partnership for the goals SDG 17 by engaging stakeholders in honest and transparent ways.
Now, let's take a look at real action taken by several Indonesia companies in addressing environmental challenges. The first, Unilever Indonesia, launched two major programs, Less Plastic More Life and Satu Hati untuk Indonesia Sehat. Here the result, in 2022, they collected and processed 62,360 ton plastic waste, even more than the amount of plastic they use for packaging from this. 28,663 tons came from over 4,000 waste banks across 11 provinces, while 33,727 tons were brought to refuse dry fuels facilities as an alternative energy source. In 2023, they continued strong, collecting 56,159 tons of plastic waste. And for 2025, they've set an even bigger goal, 75,000 tons of plastic waste to be collected and processed.
Okay, the second, PT Pertamina. Pertamina has community using clean energy through programs such as Green Refinery and Bioenergy Full Usage. Pertamina has operated Green Refinery and invested in new and renewable energy or Pertamina NRE as part of Indonesia's energy transition and carbon emission reduction efforts.
Third, Danone Aqua runs the Well No Bidakar Plastic or SMART with plastic programs in 2022. They collected 1,300 tons of used plastic bottles. In 2024, they partnered with Reconciliation in Gresik to manage 1,100 tons of plastic waste. This recycling effort could reduce carbon emission by up to 2.2 million kilograms. And their ambitious 2025 target include collecting more plastic than they use, educating 100 million consumers, ensuring 100% of packaging is reusable, recyclable, or compostable, and increasing recycled content in their bottles to 50%.
Accounting students, we are not just financial experts. We are future guardians of sustainability.
Let us our skill not only manage money, but to measure and protect the planet.
Let's be part of the solution, not the pollution.